Queens, I spy team, thrift shopping on the rack, finding major blings, my copper ring, these necklaces, find a brooch, now we so vintage every.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the I Spy Queens channel. My name is Anitra, and I'm a full-time reseller, and I also do an antique booth at an antique mall along with Cindy. Yeah, you guys, we're doing a pre-recorded $2 Tuesday video, early bird special. So if you're interested in anything, please put a timestamp at the bottom in the comments, and it will be a sold list afterwards to know what items are sold, so check for that as well. Please send us a text message if you are new here to area code 716-405-4443. And if you feel more comfortable, and if you live outside of the country, please send us an email to MississippiLady42@gmail.com. It'll be somewhere pinned right there. Yeah. Check out the description after the video. All the information will be in there for you. Thank you. And we're going to do later on today a live $2 Tuesday video at 6:45 Eastern. So be on the lookout for that. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We have a pair of sunglasses here in very good condition. There's no maker's mark on these, but these will be $2. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully good. Next we have a glass beaded rosary, turquoise. Wearable length on this is a 14 inches. So we have that. Next we have this, what is it called? Aldo. Gold tone and silver tone. It looks like it's a mesh style. Here's the makers here. It has an extender. Wearable length on this one is a 9 wearable inch on this one. Next we have this gold tone and puffy beads. All the balls are there, purple and pink. It has an extender as well. It's in very good condition, no maker's mark on this one. With it fully extended, you can get to a 10.5. So we have that. The beads are like they have like little designs in them. We have that. Next we have a little combo set. I want to say this bracelet is probably a 5.5. Wearable length on this is a 12. Yeah, I want to say this probably is, I'm trying to see. Yeah, it's a 5.5. We have that. Next we have a pair of earrings. These are enameled. Gold tone on the back post. Next we have this puffy pink, light pink, like it got moon glow beads in it, but it's not. Wearable length on this is a 12. Spring ring clasp, Silvertone beads in between. Next we have this chunky brown. Wearable length on this one is a 13. Sorry if I'm moving fast, you guys. I got a lot of stuff to do today. These look like little worlds, like little earths to me. Lobster claw clasp. Next we have one of these beachy type necklaces, I always call them. But I never seen them like this. I think these are natural stones. I like them when they like this. Wearable length on this one is 8 and some change. It has a barrel clasp. I like mother of pearl beads in there. We have that. Next we have this, what is it called? Like amber color. Wearable length on this is 11. Gold tone and black. Next we have a plastic blue bracelet. I want to say this one is a 6. Yeah. No makers on this one. Next we have another combo set. We have a mother of pearl. I want to say this is 5.5 as well. In very good condition. We have a mother of pearl necklace to go with this on like a leather black cord. The hang tag has nothing on there, but the wearable length on this one, it has an extender, so fully extended you can get a 9 out of it. So yeah. Next we have this Silvertone chunky beads. This is a glass bead here, like a champagne color. Wearable is a 17, and they also have an extender on it. It has a double layer here. So again, it has 3 glass beads on it. This one here, and that one. And these are wood. Lobster claw clasp. Next we have this shell. Pretty. And wood beads on a rope. Wearable length on this is a 12-inch, and I don't even know how you function this. I think you just tie it in a knot to your liking. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's what you do. Okay, so we have that. So everything again, you guys, is $2 each piece. Next we have this off-white or tan, as you want to call it. Gold tone, plastic, lobster claw clasp. Let's do a 10 wearable inch on this one. That's what it is. Gold tone on the back. Next we have another wooden. These look like coconuts, or not coconuts. But like the nuts, the rabbits, I mean the squirrels get a hold of. I forget what nuts they are called. The wearable inch on this one is like a 27 inch, because it go ways off my ruler. And it has a spring ring clasp. So it's like a brown and yellowish tan color. Next we have a coral color. CB, they like a orangey red color. Lobster claw clasp. Multi-layer. Wearable inch on this is A8. And if anybody wants this, let me know. I can put an extender piece on it so I can make it longer for you if you would like. Because I like doing crafts. As some of you may know, I do a lot of crafts on this channel as well. These are white and Silvertone. Lobster claw clasp. Wearable inch on this is a 14. Next we have a black pendant. Gunmetal tone or black. 9.5 wearable inch on this one. We have a Cancer shirt pin, gold tone and enameled pink. This is an Avon pen. It's here. Next we have a white and silver bracelet. Like it's got the brushed silver on it. I want to say this is a 6 wearable inch. Next we have a gold tone clamp bracelet. Like it's got a copper tone and gold tone and silver in it, honestly. Next we have a glass bead and shell, mother of pearl. These are glass beads here. Wearable length on this is a 8 with a lobster claw clasp. Glass beads, like an amber color. Next we have a 2-layer gold tone black and blue and pink. Pink are wooden beads. Wearable length on this is 12 wearable inch. No extender. These almost look like highlights, but I think they're wood. These might be nitro stone or what is that? Porcelain. Next we have, no, not this one. Next we have another mother of pearl abalone. Pretty beads on this. Look at that one. Those beads are pretty. Little lobster claw clasp. Wearable length on this is a 8.5. Next, we have a sea bead gold tone with an extender. These are dyed highlights and jade crystals. Wearable on this one, with it fully extended, would be a 9.5 on this one. Next, we have another shell. That's a pretty one. The back. Wooden. It has a barrel clasp on this one. Wearable. Wearable is a 9 on that one. Next, we have another Rosary gold tone. It has a clear and pink beads on this one. This one's actually a necklace. So the wearable length on this one is a 9. So again, this one is a necklace. Next, we have it has wear. The letter T. It is a Sarah Coventry, but if you have one of those pins, you can fix that. Fix the wear on that with the gold tone. Next, we have a letter I that also has wear, Sarah Coventry. Brooch. We have a orange and gold tone bracelet. This one is about a 5 as well. This has got some weight to it. No maker's mark on this one. No scratches or scrapes on this one. Next, we have a ring. Glass beads. It is coming in at a 5. And most of the time with these rings, I have seen them made. You can adjust them. I like them. I think they're pretty cute. They're good for being mini rings too. Next, we have another brooch. Number 1 grandma. The back. Next, we have a green. This is my size here. This is a, I would say 7.5 on this one. Like a grass green color, no makers. Next, we have a enameled, no, a hematite and pearl stretching ring. Right now, you can do whatever you want with this one, but it's at a 9. But it's a stretchy, so I'm pretty sure to fit most. Have another ring, enameled gold tone fashion ring. It's at a 5. No stones are missing. We got 2 pair of earrings that I didn't get a chance to put on cards. All the stones are on this one. Post. Look at the sparkle in that. Woo! Child. We have a pair of Avon. These are Avon. Little angels. Ooh. With little rhinestones like ABs. These are cute posts. And these are Avon. I don't think they are Avon. I thought they was. I guess not, you guys. There ain't not no makers on them. Here's the back though, how it looks. These are pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And that is it, you guys. Again, leave a timestamp for the items or item that you may want. And we will definitely, you will definitely be awarded the items that you put in. So again, you guys, please stay safe, stay blessed, stay kind and courteous to one another, and always remember to check on your friends, family, and neighbors. And please always remember to keep it real. Until then, I Spy Queen Anitra. I am out. Bye-bye.